Are you looking for ways you can create an eco-friendlier home? Well, Lisa Kooistra, she's a principal designer with LK Design, here with a bunch of products and a bunch of ideas, and we were talking off camera, loving some of these ideas. I have some of these in the home, but always want to be adding more, so very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for having me.
Is this what your home looks like with all these wonderful colors and everything?
I would like to say yes, but I don't have time to focus on my
you focus on other people's and
so
helping
I like
other
to take
people
care of clients.
Okay. Where do we want to start? We want to start from the ground up?
Yeah. So I brought a little bit of everything here, just to try to help visualize how people are going to bring sustainability into their home. So hard surfaces, soft surfaces, even down to like bedding, loungewear, and then how are we going to clean our products, right? That's a big thing.
And this can all help us. I know, like, we kind of get bogged down in our lives and we're busy lives, but if we're just doing small little things like that to bring down our carbon footprint, if everybody's kind of doing that, it will help our world out.
Yeah, definitely. So here with the soft surfaces, this is a great option other than vinyl. Some vinyls can't be recycled. So this is a brand new laminate option, and it's completely recyclable, meets all the codes and regulations in our industry, and it's also water resistant. So you can put it in spaces like basements, laundry rooms, everything.
We're talking the flooring right here, not this stuff. We're talking the flooring itself. Now, sometimes when you see expensive, like the price compared to others.
No, super reasonable.
It is?
Yeah, very reasonable. It's really just knowing what to look for when you're shopping for these products, right? So quartz products, another great option. Obviously, we still see a lot of like natural elements marbles, but it's kind of who's the client, what are they looking for if you want low maintenance, like you were talking about.
We have quartz and we just love it. You can do whatever to it and it cleans up.
Yeah.
Which one is the quartz out of these three?
So these are quartz here.
So they're
these
all of them are quartz?
Yeah, except for this is a porcelain.
That's porcelain.
Which we also use a lot of now too, man-made product. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Right.
And then this is the new Caesar stone line. It's a pebble, it's called the Pebble Collection, completely sustainable. We're seeing more and more of that with our suppliers, giving us these awesome options. So those are those countertops.
Okay.
And then soft products. So carpeting, huge. We have to look at synthetic versus natural fibers. So synthetics, we see a lot of polyesters, nylon, rayon, things that are going to harm the environment and also not the best for our homes.
So we want to be looking for
natural fibers.
Natural fibers.
Wools, like here. Wools, silks, bamboos, viscose, all these things that are derived from natural elements that aren't going to harm or off gas.
I'll ask that price thing again. Because when it comes to synthetic to natural, you might be paying more when it comes to that.
You are a little bit, but you got to look long term. These are investment pieces in your home. So, and it's also, it's in your home, it's your family, it's things you're breathing in. So it's things you got to invest in.
Okay.
Right?
Where are you going next?
So even just fabrics, right? Looking at reading the labels. So getting away from those synthetics. The synthetics are in a lot of things that we purchase. So really focusing and narrowing down on what's in it.
Where do you find that if it's synthetic? Is you're asking the individual who you're dealing with, can you find it on the product itself?
Yeah, so usually when you go in and say, even if you're going into a retail store looking for upholstered goods, you can look on the back and look at the fabric options and it'll tell you. But also if you're working with a professional too, they'll kind of guide you in that way like we do with our clients to give them those best options.
Bedding.
Bedding, yeah, this is a great local company, Tuck Bedding out of Toronto. And completely organic, cotton, sustainable, and just every time you wash it, it gets softer and softer. So this is something.
So this is the cover for the duvet?
This is the cover. There's
the
yeah,
duvet
we have it down here.
Duvet down there.
Yeah, and then this other local company too, and they do this like loungewear out of bamboo, which is so nice.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, you're seeing bamboo more and more again.
Yeah.
Cleaning products.
Cleaning products. Yeah. So this is another local company. They are completely biodegradable, refillable company. So glass bottles. And they're scented with natural essential oils.
Can I give it, does it work?
Yeah.
Can I give it a spray?
Is it on?
No, it's not on. No, just imagine in your mind that I'm spraying this around. Yes. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go.
You got it?
There we go. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Healthy for you, healthy for your home.
Right, you generally just don't spray it in the air and then smell it.
Not,
you're usually trying to use it in place. I just wanted to smell it. There we go. Anyways.
And then wallpapers too. Okay. Once again, just getting to know what you're purchasing, what you're putting in your home. Here are some options for cork, linen. Here's a beautiful larger cork sample too for wallpaper.
Okay. We got to go. Where can people follow you somewhere?
Yes, at Lisa Kooistra Designs.
Nice.
All around social media. Hey. Also, website Lisa Kooistra Designs.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot. We'll be back next half hour on Morning Live. Good stuff, Lisa.
Yeah, thank you.
It smells good.